Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a plan with me in the A5 wide inserts from Pression. I'm going to be using the leftovers. I just did this spread and filled it out, and I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. But after filling it out, I was like, I want to try this. Like, I want to do this one as well. So I have the leftovers from that foil bundle. I still have these sitting out if I need them. I have this mini kit from Pression. Well, it's like I made it, but it's Kane selling it. So I have extra fashion rolls. I don't need those. So I'm just going to use the ones that come in the kit. I also brought out 2 different washies. I'll get through the kit first. So yeah, the full boxes, there's 8 of those. There is the deco, weekend banner, flags. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear like the dryer in the background. I'm hoping that it's not distracting. Let me know in the comments down below, because it's always a struggle like to find time whenever the laundry is not being done. Work labels, then there is little flags, weekly things, glitter headers, the what are these called? Headers. Blah. For our checklist, movie marquees, habit trackers, and then also the little appointment labels, half boxes, third boxes, fancy labels, and little things, bottom washi, and date covers. And then, like I said, I did pull out these 2 washies. I was looking for this one, and then I found this one. So let me go ahead and show you guys these. I'm going to probably speed up through the base. I guess it's also kind of redundant to tell you my plans, because I also did them in that video. Maybe you didn't watch that video though. Maybe you're just like an A5 person and just the A6 was not interesting. So let me go ahead and unroll this. I think I'll do the base fast forward with a little bit of music, because like this is gonna be cute, right? Because it matches like perfectly. But I thought if I had any room throughout the spread, like, you know how I put, if you watch that video, I put the little swooshy from Rose Color Days. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna call them, swooshies. I don't know, like decorative, what are they called? Bow accents. That's a better word than a swooshy. So I put that in whenever I didn't have like anything to put there. But I thought when I was looking for the Pression one, I saw this one from No White Space Stickers, and it's also rainbow with Mickey heads and stars. And I was like, is that not a combo made in heaven? So if I have room, I'm going to kind of sneak that in as well. Because it's on the white too, it kind of looks bougie, and then it makes every spread magical. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through the, we'll see what we're going to do. We're just going to speed through this part for sure, but like we'll see the rest. Oh, but like my plans are, is if you watch that video, I had my releases there. So if I end up using the A5, I think I'll just, in between every one, there's this back page, like every month, and then I can just put all of the releases there, which is actually kind of helpful to have them all together sometimes when I'm like looking at things. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And I'll link all the products down below. This is a A5 Pression, like it's so soft and so nice. And then this is the A5 sticker inserts thing. So let's do this. Okay, so I think this turned out really cute. I ended up just laying out all the stickers. If you want to know what all of them are for, I just directly copied this plan with me where I talk through everything, which was, I think, long. I haven't edited it yet, but I have a feeling. So basically what I used is, because I had already used the dates from this foil bundle, I went ahead and just grabbed black ones. This is like the newer font. I love both of them. I kind of interchange just depending on my mood. But I thought the black would look nice with this spread. I kind of was kicking myself because afterwards I was like, rainbow foil would have looked really cute with this, but there's plenty other times to use rainbow foil. I did also use some of the matte check boxes throughout like I did in my last spread. I used the bottom washi up top. I don't know if I would do that again. It looks cute, but I think it would just depend on the spread. And then I did use some full box overlays and glitter header overlays. And then as far as the kit goes, I have 3 full boxes left, half of the bottom washi and an extra full box there, about half of this sheet, about a third of that sheet, and about half of this sheet left as well. I think it turned out really cute. I did end up using some of this no white space stickers washi throughout, because what I had planned for this week, if you kind of compare them, this was like the perfect amount of space for like 3-ish items, 3 or 4. And it's a little bit longer. Like I have a little bit more room in this version of the day, and I didn't need it for this week in particular. And then I kind of wonder, like in the future, will I need that much room? But I'm sure I can figure out something to do, or maybe there's other things that I want to track, like meals or something like that. So I think it turned out really cute though. I think this kit is super adorable. I'll leave it linked down below. It's on the Pression website. But I'm really going to have a lot to think about between using this for my like day-to-day check things off kind of planner versus the A6. Let me know in the comments down below which you like better, which you would use, which you think that makes, like maybe you think one makes more sense for me. Let me know in the comments down below. But I hope that you guys like these 2 videos, something a little bit different. I do want to start doing more videos where I try different sizes versus just doing all A5 wide plan with me's, though I do want to get those back and very consistent and like have every week up for you guys. I haven't planned any off camera. I don't think I might have. I don't remember. I don't think I did since you guys saw last. So I do plan on getting those up soon. So those will be coming up, but I do want to start mixing in some different sizes because I know that not all y'all want a memory plan and an A5 wide. So also let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any size recommendations, any in particular inserts. Usually I kind of use like sticker based ones though. But let me know, and I hope you guys liked this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!